Hey there, I'm Kyle with Maple Systems, and today I'm going to be showing you one of our advanced HMIs that has Wi-Fi capability, the cMT2108X2v2. Let's take a look. Okay, let's open the box. And the first thing you'll see is the warranty, as well as the installation guide for the HMI. And then you'll see the HMI, and it's wrapped in anti-static. So let's move it from that. Here's the HMI, I'll set that aside. Also inside is a USB stick clamp with a zip tie, as well as some brackets and screws for mounting. So that's what comes in the HMI box. Let's move that aside for now. So here's the HMI. Now, you also have the option of getting an expansion Wi-Fi module, which is called the M02, and it is a puck-shaped magnetic antenna. It is a 6-foot long antenna cord, and it's really simple to install. You just twist on the 6-foot antenna onto the module, and if you flip over the HMI like this, it will attach to the back. Really simple. There are 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports for uploading and downloading your project, as well as going online. It's also used for various Ethernet protocols. Next to that is a 2.0 USB port used for uploading and downloading your project. As well, it's used for extended memory. You can store backup files on a USB stick. Next to that are 2 DE9 serial ports, which are RS232 and RS485 2 or 4 wire. It's also used for various serial protocols. And then finally, next to that is a 24-volt DC power supply that comes with a detachable power connector. So now I want to power on the HMI. So I'm going to insert the power connector. I'm going to turn on the power supply. And the first thing you'll see is the cMT series, and then the demo project will load on the HMI. So here is a demo project, and I have VNC Viewer open in the larger screen, and the bottom left corner is the actual HMI. So now I'm going to walk you through some of the features in the demo project, as well as go through some of the system settings on the HMI. So first, let's click on one of the objects here in the main screen. Let's click on Trend Display. And here you can see a simulated trend display. Let's go home. Go to Switches and Lamps. And here you have some set bits, bit lamps, toggles, multi-state switches, word lamps, set words, just some examples of switches and lamps. So you can turn on a bit, turn off a bit, you can toggle. And then also in the bottom right corner, here's some more switches down here. Those are some of the examples of switches and lamps. Let's go home. Go to Alarm. Here are some examples of some alarms. And then also you can go to Meters and Bar Graphs, and here are some simulated meters and bar graphs. So let's go home. And now I want to walk you through some of the system settings on the HMI. To do that, in the top left corner, there is a object, circular object. Click that, and it's going to open up your settings. Now, initially when you open up your settings, you will notice that there is a lock icon here. We'll need to unlock the settings here in the HMI, and to do that, you click the lock button. You need to enter an admin password, and the admin password is 6 ones. You can always change this later on, but initially it's going to be 6 ones. So we'll do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Drop down the keypad, and then click OK. And now there are some more settings that are now here. So you'll notice on the left side is the information tab. So to give you the model name, the HMI name, and also some of the Ethernet settings here as well. Also, you'll notice that Code Assist, which requires a separate license. There's some general information. You can change the brightness on the HMI. You can turn the sound on and off. If you scroll down here, you'll see a mouse cursor. So the different general options here. And then below that is a network. And you can change your network settings on Ethernet 1 or Ethernet 2. In this case, I'm using LAN 2, DHCP. You can also set it to static IP if you like. And then you'll notice below that, for this HMI, there is a Wi-Fi tab. And the only way that you'll see this tab is if you have the Wi-Fi module connected to your HMI. And so if you go to Wi-Fi, you can set that to Wi-Fi connection enabled. You can also enable a Wi-Fi hotspot. And then below that, you have time and date. Keep going, you have an HMI name, you can clear history, project management. You can also change the system password. You can change it from 6 ones to whatever you like. So those are some of the main settings here on your HMI. Now I want to download a project in EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Okay, I am in EBPro now, and the first thing I want to show you is that there are over 400 communication protocol drivers that you could connect to in EBPro. So to do that, go to your Home tab, System Parameters, New Device, and then here you can click and you can see all the communication protocol drivers here in this list. Let's now download this project to the HMI, and first you want to make sure that you have your Ethernet cable inserted into LAN 1 or LAN 2. In this case, I have it inserted into LAN 2. You will not be able to download the project if you do not have an Ethernet cable in one of those ports. So let's go up to download. And you want to make sure that you have the correct IP address here for the HMI name. Check off runtime and then click download. It'll take some time for the project to download to the HMI. It says download cXOB file, then extracting, and you'll see updating project now on the physical HMI on the bottom right corner screen. And it's going to reboot the HMI. And it will say finished. And then if you go to your HMI, click out of the system settings, you'll notice you'll see the demo project. Well, that wraps up everything today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on the HMI cMT line, you can always visit our Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch our EBPro training series in the Video Center under the Support tab on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.